Hi, my name is Christine Callender.
And I'm Amanda Callender.
We are licensed real estate agents in the state of Colorado.
And today we are in Wolf Ranch touring the beautiful Monarch by Classic Homes, who plans to be building in Wolf Ranch for the next 5 years and are about to embark on filing 13.
We're located in the northern part of Colorado Springs, and Classic Homes is one of the biggest builders in Colorado Springs. As a matter of fact, they're also one of the longest term builders in Colorado Springs. They've been building for over 30 years, and they've been ranked as #1 in Colorado Springs. Matter of fact, we happen to live in a Classic home.
Now, they build in a lot of neighborhoods, but something unique to the Wolf Ranch neighborhood is that not only do they have Food Truck Fridays at one of the fountains, they have 2 fountains, a lake that you can paddleboard and fish on, and they're opening a new rec center that they are building that should rival the Lifetime actually nearby in the Briargate area.
If you're returning to our channel, welcome back. If you're new to our channel, as we mentioned before, our names are Christine Callender
And Amanda Callender.
We're with Exit Realty Pikes Peak in Colorado Springs.
We want to help as many of you on your endeavors in the Springs, whether you have questions, want a new build, looking at what the neighborhoods look like. We're here to answer those questions for you.
If you would like and subscribe to our channel, it'll help motivate us to push out more content to help you with your home purchase in Colorado Springs.
So without further ado, stick around for the tour of the beautiful Classic Home Monarch, which is super popular in the Springs.
Very popular model.
And stick around at the end where we will mention a few of the incentives they have going on.
Current incentives with Classic Homes includes $10,000 off, which can be used either as concessions towards your closing costs, towards your design center, or off the purchase price if you use their preferred lender.
They also offer $2,500 on top of that to any local hero, which includes firefighters, police officers, nurses, doctors,
and military.
Yeah, etc.
So if you would like a private tour of this property, please contact us. We'll be happy to set that up for you. We'll be happy to help you navigate the journey for your new home construction property in the Colorado Springs area.
For more information, go ahead and contact us below.
Thanks for watching the video. I specifically chose the video below for you because it builds on the one you just watched. I hope it's helpful, and I'll talk to you soon.